Hello friends, this is Rebecca Richter with Pure Food Healing, and today I'm going to show you a technique for rolling a nice sushi roll without a rolling mat. And so I've got my ingredients arranged here. That's amaranth that I laid down as a base. There's some raw carrots, cooked beets, some purple cabbage, some white beans mixed with spices, and then a little parsley there on top. And that's just all stuff that I had left over and had on hand, so it would be super easy. And then I have a little bowl of water there. So what's important is that you want to make sure that this edge here that you left bare at the top is moistened, because that's going to help seal everything. So make sure that's wet, and then we're going to very carefully lift this bottom edge and take our fingers kind of at the back of the ingredients there and just fold over, and there we've got our roll started. And you want to kind of pinch that in, keep some pressure, downward pressure and inward pressure to make a nice tight roll. And there you go. Just roll it up like that. And there you have it. Super easy. See, we had a nice sealed edge right there. Now you can just eat it just like that, like a burrito, or get a nice sharp knife and slice it into pieces. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.